Hi, this is Sherry from the Fancy Crow, and today I want to show you how to add directional ribbon to a bow. So I have some directional ribbon here, and by directional I mean this is a right side up, this would be upside down. Sometimes prints are that way, and if I do the standard method of creating a bow, look what's going to happen. I'm going to have some of these upside down because I want the blue stars on top. Now if I'm doing a circular bow, that's fine, but for this application I don't want that. So I'm going to show you how to deal with that. So I want to do my flag bow right up here, and I'll show you how to make it so that the blue is always on top. So come on in closer and we'll get started. Here's the bow I want to put the American flag ribbon on. I want the blue field to be at the top. So I'm going to measure the diameter I want that to be. And I don't even need a number. I just need to visually look and see I want it to be this diameter. About the same as the white, maybe just a tad smaller. So I'm going to get that out of the way. I'm going to take my white. My finger is where that diameter is. I'm going to fold it on itself. Fold it on itself again. And I am going to cut. Now be careful not to cut that loop. I will prepare my tails and I will use that for my loops. And then I will measure out the amount that I need for my tails, the center part, the center loop, and I want it to have 12-inch tails. I want it to have about a 7-inch loop and 12-inch tails. And instead of putting it together like this, I'm going to crisscross it. You see how I crisscrossed it there? You're going to notice by magic I've already dovetailed those ends. And I'm going to just put that down so that I have it waiting for me. Crisscross right there. Okay, let me get the ribbons I've prepared with the dovetailed ends all ready. I want the blue fields at the top, so I'm going to take and find the center just by folding it. There's the center. I'm going to accordion fold that. I don't need to find the center here because I know where it is. I'm going to accordion fold that and put them right next to each other. I'm going to take that X and I want that blue field at the top. So make sure the blue field's at the top in all the sections. And there I have it. So the blue field's on the top in every section. Nothing is upside down. I'm going to go ahead and place it onto my other part of the bow, the back of the bow, the bottom of the bow. I'm using a zip tie today. I will zip it in there, and then I will show you how to fluff it a little bit. So there's my bow. There's the tails. There's the center. And I'm just going to open these up. I'm going to look and see. So these parts are attached, so they're both going to be on the top. And these parts are attached, they're both going to be on the bottom. This one's one to come up there. I'm going to make him go down. I'm going to pull that one out, make him be down, and make the tail from this one go up. And I'll find that other tail right inside here, go up, and I'm ready to just start fluffing my bow. So I'm going to go ahead and keep fluffing my bow, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm finished. Here's our finished bow. Thanks for creating with us today. I hope you enjoyed learning about how I make directional bows do what I want them to do. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and check out our other videos from the Fancy Crow. Until then, have a great day.